A very good morning, children. Welcome back to the session. So today let us continue the remaining part of the lesson, Exploring TuxPaint Part 2. Okay, children. In the previous video classes, you have learned about the magic tool, isn't it, children? So in the magic tool, you have learned several magical effects like a blend magic effect, blur magic effect, brick effect, calligraphy effect, and also dip effect, isn't it, children? So today we will learn about the stamp tool. Okay, children, the stamp tool. So you can see in the toolbar, the stamp tool is here. So first let us see let us see the steps to use stamp tool. Okay, let us see the steps now, children. These are the steps to use stamp tool. So first you have to click the stamp tool from the toolbar. Okay, children. From the toolbar, you have to click the stamp tool. Then go to the selector bar. You will find many stamp or images available in the bar. Then you have to choose any one of them. Then afterwards, you have to put the cursor on the canvas where you want to insert the stamp and click the mouse. Okay, children. So now let us see in the paint screen. So you have to click the stamp tool. So here stamp tool is nothing but it is like a ready-made stickers available in the TuxPaint, children. So what is a stamp tool, children? It is a ready-made tool. Stamp tool is like ready-made pictures available in the TuxPaint. Okay, children. So what is the first step? You have to click the stamp tool on the tools. Then go to the selector. So there are different pictures. Click any picture. Then come to the drawing canvas and press it. Click it. Then you can see a stamp on the screen. Okay, children. So you can take any pictures. Yeah, come to the drawing canvas, click it. Then you can see the shape. And not that this children, we can even increase or decrease the size of the stamp. Okay, understood, children? So we can even increase or decrease the size of a stamp. So how to increase the size? We will see. So here you have to click. So in this way, if you click, the size will be increased. Then go to the stamp, select any picture, then come to the drawing area and press it. Okay, children. So in this way, we can increase or decrease the size of the stamp. If you want very small stamp, that also we can do. You have to click here. Then you can see here, children, and get the small picture. So it is very small. Okay, children. So we can increase or decrease the size of a stamp. And children, direction of a stamp can be changed by clicking on the icon. So here you can see this icon. So by clicking this icon, we can change the direction of the stamp. Okay, children. So now first we will take one picture, select one picture, come to the drawing area. Then click it. Can you see this, children? So now this direction can be changed now. Again, the same picture we will select and go to the icon, then come to the drawing area, then press it. So you can see the direction has been changed. Okay, children. So we can even change the direction of the stamp by clicking the icon. Understood, children? So we can increase or decrease the size of the stamp, and also we can change the direction of the stamp by clicking on the icons. Okay, children? So hope you have understood this, understood the lesson. Now let us do some of the exercises based on the lesson. So first let us see fill in the blanks. Dash tool is like ready-made stickers available in TuxPaint. So can you tell me, children, which are the ready-made stickers available in TuxPaint? Yes, stamp. Now the second one, the dash effect makes parts of the picture look like it's dripping away. So in the magic tool you have learned. Can you tell me that effect, children, which is dripping, which look like it's dripping away. Yes, it is magic. Drip magic tool. Now the next one, dash effect is used to make the picture or part of a picture blur. So can you tell me the which effect, children? So it is blur effect, which is used to make a part of a picture or the picture blur. Okay, children. So now let us do see true or false. The first one, size of the stamp can be increased or decreased. So can we increase or decrease the size of a stamp, children? Yes, we can do it. So it is true. Now, second one, direction of the stamp cannot be changed. So is it true, children? It is false because the direction of the stamp can be changed. So it is false. The next one, on selecting calligraphy effect, a smooth brush gets activated. So when you select the calligraphy effect, smooth brush gets activated. Is it true, children? Yes, it is true. Now let us see question and answers. Answer the following. The first one, name any 4 tools of toolbar in TuxPaint. So you can name any 4 tools, children, which are available in the TuxPaint. So here, paint tool, shapes tool, eraser tool, stamp tool. So many tools are there. So here I have any 4 tools you can write. Let us see the next question. Name any 4 magical effects of magic tool. So you have to write any 4 magical effects of magic tool, children. So any 4 you can write. So blind magic effect, brick effect, blur magic effect, drip magic. Children. So that's all for today. Here is a small assignment for you all. Write any 3 magical effects of magic tool. So you have to write any 3 magical effects. Understood, children? Thank you and have a nice day.